This is a new house that we just finished, and it was sold right as we finished it. One of the problems we ran into were the window locks, and I finally just figured out that several months ago we had a tornado, and that all the windows, we had several sashes that were broken from debris. And I finally figured out that the tornado pressure, the wind pressure, broke some of our locks. You can see there's a little crack in it, and it stressed it to a point to where they wouldn't operate. See? So we had to wait and had to get some more locks. Bring the locks over here. You can see that fracture right there. And that's what see the new locks. I don't know if that's just a faulty design or what, but we're gonna, it looks like cast aluminum or something, but it didn't hold up to the pressures of a tornado. So we're gonna go around now and check all these to see if they're okay or not. So let me take this one off and see. There, take that screw. This one is on the side of the house that was not damaged, so it's fine. I guess I need to check them before I take them all off. Looks like they're trying to get moved in, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Nice furniture and rug. Got the living room set up. That looks nice. Stairs. Well, we checked all the windows, and when we replaced 3 or 4 locks. So were those blinds up when we came in? I think they were. Yeah. So I gotta get one more lock for that one, and we'll be set up. Alright, we're out of here for now. The bathtub man's coming tomorrow to fix the scratch, so we'll see how that works out. We gotta turn off these lights. Boy, I don't need the lights on. I'm gonna have to spank them. Barrett and I watered this grass for a month, maybe more, every day. And I'll show you pictures prior to this. And after they moved in, it turned to garbage. So they're gonna get a spanking for that. I guess some of these guys just got enough money to where they don't have to worry about it. They'll fix it. I don't know, but anyway, I hate to see my grass die like that. You gotta water this sod every day for at least an hour until it takes root. You can't, I mean, for a month, more than that. You can't let it go. I know it's been 100-degree weather, but you just got to get out here and water it. And see if I can get a shot here where I can show you. So anyway, we're down to our last few things. The bathtub man's going to come tomorrow and fix the scratch, and we'll be done.